Most phone problems don't happen when it's convenient. Photos disappear, phones freeze on the Apple logo, or you buy a used iPhone and realize it's still locked to someone else's iCloud account. That's why I'm taking a look at Dr.Fone by Wondershare, a Mac desktop tool designed to help with iCloud activation lock issues, data recovery, system repair, backups, and phone unlocking. I'll show you how the software works and what features are available, so you know exactly what it could do before you even need it. Let me tell you why I'm reviewing it. I get a lot of questions about locked iPhones, forgotten passwords, and devices that can't be set up because of iCloud activation locks. Dr.Fone has been around for years, and it's been known for phone recovery and unlocking tools. So I wanted to install the Mac version and walk through the actual interface. Menus, supported features, and workflows. Installing it on a Mac takes under a minute. Once you open it, you get this big dashboard with all the tools right there in front of you. There's data recovery, system repair, screen unlock, phone backup, phone transfer, and more. Everything is laid out clean and simple. Setup on Mac is fast. Everything is clearly labeled, so you're not guessing what tool does what. This is one of the biggest reasons people search for Dr.Fone, the iCloud activation lock removal, sometimes called iCloud bypass. If you're setting up an iPhone and it's still locked to a previous owner's Apple ID, Dr.Fone provides a dedicated tool that supports eligible models from iPhone XR up to the iPhone 17 series. Inside of the software, it clearly shows all your supported devices, supported iOS versions, the guided unlock process, what the feature can and cannot do. Everything is laid out in a simple walkthrough, so you know exactly what to expect before starting. Most services charge a lot for activation lock help. Dr.Fone makes it far more affordable and easier to understand. Phone supports recovery for up to 35 data types, including photos and videos, messages and contacts, WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business, notes, call history, iWork files. For iPhone users, recovery can even work without an iCloud backup in certain situations. You can scan, preview files, and recover only what you need. Another feature is system repair. This tool fixes common phone issues like Apple logo freeze, boot loops, recovery mode, iOS update errors. It supports the latest iOS versions and new iPhone models, plus guided repair for Android devices like Samsung, Xiaomi, Redmi, and Poco. Everything is step-by-step, no tech skills required. Another feature is backup and transfer. Dr.Fone also includes small backup and transfer tools. You can select what to back up, save space when incremental backups, preview before restoring. It even allows transfers between Android and iPhone. So who this is for? Dr.Fone is great for lost data recovery, phone system issues, iCloud activation lock problems, buying or selling used phones, better backup control than iCloud.
Unlock activation lock for iPhones and iPads. No jailbreak needed, super easy operation, perfect for beginners. It is 100% secure and worry-free local unlock tech in the newest iPhone 17 series and iOS 26.1 supported.
It's one of those tools that's incredibly useful when something goes wrong. If you want to try Dr.Fone, the link is in the description and pinned in the comments. Drop a comment if you like more phone recovery tips and tools like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.